Kim, did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
Hello?
Hi, Kim.
Oh, Kaylin. Hi. Thank you. Anyways, by the way, for responding to my message to your law firm. I'm sorry. Okay, my question is where do I don't know where I stand or what I could do. My parental rights were terminated in 2017. My two daughters were 8 and 9 when they were removed from my home. That was in 2015. I think that the judge found it to be a preponderance of evidence from the beginning of the court case, the very first hearing, and they were adopted. They are now 15 and 13, and they have recently run away from that home, from the adopted home, and my sister implicated me as having them, but I didn't have them, and now there's a restraining order where there was not a restraining order before. So they are being abused in that home, verbally and emotionally, and I don't know. I mean, I have an appeal filed, but I was told I was an attorney of record, so it was denied. Where do I start?
Jennifer, what do you think?
So where do you start with what? What is the question? I'm sorry, you covered a lot of ground there, and I'm totally following you.
Sorry.
What's your question? What's your question for us?
My question is what can I do? I mean, where can I start? Do I start with my another appeal, another extraordinary writ? Do I even have grounds to do that, or?
Right. So after termination of parental rights, and the option, well, only in one rare instance, that doesn't seem to be the case here. Unfortunately, there is no way to turn that around unless there is ineffective assistance of counsel. But even that, most of these things have to be done before TPR. Don't you think, Vincent?
Yes, or taken up in the appeal within 60 days right after the termination of parental rights. But she says, well, at least the notes say that her parental rights were terminated in 2017. So we're talking probably almost 3 years ago.
Right. So I don't have any grounds to fight for them or any grounds to do anything. I mean, the case is kind of from the beginning. My sister was approved by CPS in 2 different counties to provide kinship for them, and Yolo County refused to place them with her, even with her being approved. I mean, I can go on and on about everything.
Kim, do me this favor. I want you to call me tomorrow afternoon, 888-888-6582. And, I'll talk to you and go a little deeper into your case. I don't think I'm going to have good news for you, but I will listen, and we'll see what we can do for you. Hey, Kim, I want to thank you for listening, and thank you for calling in. We have to take another break, Jennifer, pay some bills. This is The Secret, How to Fight Child Protective Services and Win. We'll be back right after these messages.